Hello traders, so welcome to a follow-up video. So this video is the follow-up for what I made yesterday, a video I posted yesterday. It was all about value area strategy. If you haven't watched that video yet, please watch it, or else you won't be able to understand what I'm saying. And first thing first, if you're not part of my Telegram channel, please join the Telegram channel so that you can get real-time updates, because I gave around 3 or 4 stocks today to check the theory of value area strategy, like what I taught you in the last video, that was value area strategy. So I just posted 4 different stocks which actually I came across, in which a trigger, a particular position got triggered. So I'll show you those triggers and then we will try to understand what happened here. So in the morning, if you see in the Telegram channel, I gave Airtel, Bharti Airtel, while this candle was being made, so that this is a 4-hour chart here. So as I said, if you remember, whenever there is a rejection on the excess side, if you remember from the video, this is my POC, okay, this is my value area high and this is value area low, okay. So the area above the value area high and the area below the value area low is called excess. So we are looking for rejections in the excess area. So this is what happened in the morning, and I posted this around I think around 10 o'clock or 10:30, I'm not sure. So do check that in the Telegram so that you can understand. So see, why did I post this? So this is exactly the same strategy that I taught you yesterday. Whenever there is a rejection on the excess part, we will be taking a trade towards the POC. That means the moment you enter here, you can put your stop loss somewhere here and you trade towards the POC here. So probably the Airtel should go and reach 570 at least by tomorrow, right? At least 570. We are looking for 570 by tomorrow. That's why I gave this trade. So when you have this on your 4-hour chart, you can come down to a lower time frame and look for the entry by using trend lines, right? Bearish trend lines. If you remember what is a bearish trend line, I'll just show you. This is the bearish trend line. So the moment my stock got out of the bearish trend line, so this was a trigger for me that yes, it has just now broken the downtrend and probably it is going to an uptrend. So we'll see what happens. We are mostly waiting for the price to reach to the POC by tomorrow. If you remember, I have already told that this is a swing strategy. So yes, intraday also you can benefit, like you could have benefited here for this much price, but it's a swing strategy. If you could have bought here, you could have taken a target till here 570, 569, 568. So let's see. Okay, then the next stock that I gave in Telegram channel was CenturyTex. CenturyTex, I gave CenturyTex because I saw a candle, a rejection candle on the value area low side. So it is not coming out of the value area low, but again what I did see is the good volume here, which is above average. Here above average, and there is a big rejection there. So that's why I posted this particular picture in Telegram so that you can understand how this theory works. So what we are basically waiting for is the price to reach back to the POC here, that is around 309, 310. So we'll wait for that, and that might happen tomorrow if it is still bullish. And moreover, you also have to see the trend line. So where is the trend line here? Here we have a trend line still intact. So until CenturyTex breaks this trend line and goes up, we won't be having a trade till 309, right? So this is CenturyTex. You can check WhatsApp, the Telegram channel in which I posted this. So still this bearish trend line has to be broken. Then after CenturyTex, I gave ACC. So I found a similar structure in ACC, though this was, I think this was a candle where it got triggered because it got rejected from the lower side of the channel. Can you see this whole channel? Okay, so it got rejected from the lower side of the channel. So what you are basically waiting for is the price to reach to the POC here, somewhere around price should test around 1395 or 1400 at max, right? So probably I'm waiting for the price to come to this price around 1389, 1390, let's say. Okay, so still 20 points to go, sorry, 30 points to go. That is a good movement. So we are waiting for the price to cross this high, today's high, that is around 1367. So this was a pattern that I found in ACC, and then I also posted a stock Colgate Palmolive, that is Colpal, and yes, this was the trigger here. The first candle here was the trigger. So it got rejected from the lower part, so now it is going to the POC. So it should reach the POC tomorrow. We are waiting for it to reach the POC. So see, this is not like a holy grail strategy. That means if it has started from here, so that doesn't mean 100% it will reach the POC. But what I have noticed is, like, out of 10 trades, 6 or 7 trades get correct and it will go back and hit the POC. So that is a very good accuracy rate. 60%, 70% is a very, very good accuracy in stock market. And here one more thing that you could have observed is the trend line break here. See, it was purely in a bearish trend line, and suddenly this candle here broke the trend line. So this is my entry. So right now there are confluence of two different points. One is that it got rejected from my value area low, and second, it broke the bearish trend line. So now you have two different reasons to trade on Colgate Palmolive for POC, correct? So these were the 4 stocks that I gave in the Telegram channel today. So I also mentioned that please don't trade on this, because as I just put it for educational purpose, so that you can understand how this value area strategy is working out. So I'll be putting more and more chart structures whenever they happen, and if I find it, I'll surely definitely put it on the Telegram channel. So please join the Telegram channel. Okay, so I think that's it for today, and if anything more comes up, I'll make a video on that. So thank you so much for watching. Keep learning, keep trading. Bye bye.